I'm going to show you how to make money with this brand new free software called OfferLab. Now, not only am I going to show you why this software can help you as a complete beginner, or even if you're an expert in digital marketing, but I'm also going to show you how you can use the hype of this brand new software to build your email list, to get more sales for your courses, and to get more sales if you're an affiliate marketer. As you can see, I posted on my Facebook account, I am getting 100% commissions from OfferLab literally every single day. So I'm going to walk you through the entire step of what is OfferLab, how existing course creators can upload their courses into OfferLab, how complete beginners can tap into other people's existing courses and existing offers to make money. And my favorite part is I'm going to show you how you can replicate my process. That way you can sign people up for OfferLab, but you can also build a massive email list. Let's get into it. All right, so I first want to show you what is OfferLab, how does it even look, but make sure to stick to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how you can replicate what I'm doing to make a lot of money, okay? So this is what OfferLab actually looks like. So essentially what it is you can upload any of your courses. Let's just say you're a coach, you're a course creator, you have an e-commerce product, so you have, clothing or some sort of e-com product, literally anything that you sell online, you can upload your products into this new software called OfferLab. Now, this is 100% free to upload your programs. And as you can see, for example, this one right here, you can see this creator uploaded his program. It's $297 and he's giving out 50%, okay? So the cool thing about OfferLab is it's different from something like ClickBank, okay? Because with ClickBank, you can only sell that one thing as an affiliate, okay? The power of OfferLab is absolutely insane. Let me show you. All right, so essentially what you can do in OfferLab is create something called a super funnel, okay? So I know this looks a little complicated, so I wanna recreate it, that way it makes sense to you, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and redraw this, that way it makes sense, okay? So again, something like ClickBank, this is like an affiliate network, okay, that you can go and promote a product. Essentially, you can go and promote an affiliate product, and that's it, okay? And it works. This has been a huge network for years, okay? So you can promote that affiliate product, okay? So the thing with OfferLab, which is very powerful, what you can do is you can actually collab with multiple offers and put it in one big super funnel, okay? Think of it like this, okay? Let's just say you're a complete beginner or an expert, okay? Complete experts or beginners can do this, okay? So essentially what you can do is you can send people to basically a super funnel that you created, okay? So let's just create this, right now, okay? So let's just say offer number 1, and let's just go back to OfferLab and let's just pretend we're gonna pick an offer, okay? Let's just say we wanna start with this one here, okay? So I don't know, this one, positive leadership bundle, okay? Whatever that is. Again, this is just as an example, okay? So I think it was 50% commission. So this would be your main offer, and then after this you can create an upsell, okay? So let's just say someone buys that, and then upsell number 1 could be whatever you want. So now we can go to OfferLab and be like, okay, cool, let's see what makes sense, okay? This one's kind of cool. Double your income in 12 months. The only thing is it only pays $25, okay? So I want something maybe that makes a little bit more money. Of course, you can always go to my product, so you can go to Jonathan Montoya. There we go. I have a bunch of products here. So AI FREEDOM LAUNCHPAD, I pay 40% commission. So you guys can go ahead and become an affiliate for that. What happens is you can start to create this super funnel, okay? So if you're selling my products, I would probably do that as the main offer, but this is just an example, okay? So let's just say AI LAUNCHPAD, okay? Then we can create an upsell number 2, and then we can go and pick another product. So it could be one of my products again, or not. It could be, here's one of my students, Camila Markson. She actually pays 80% commissions, okay? So this is pretty cool. So Millionaire Woman Academy, okay? So now I can go and, let's just say Millionaire Woman Academy. So let's just say this one pays 40%, she's paying 80, and then same thing, okay? You can keep going. You can put as many products as you want to make this, super funnel. So this is absolutely insane because now instead of, something like ClickBank where you can just promote one product, you can now create this super funnel and get paid right away, okay? So this is the power of OfferLab, okay? So that's the question, what is OfferLab? Basically, if you're a complete beginner, you can go and create a super funnel and pick any products that you want. Or if you're a course creator, you already have courses, you can actually upload your courses into OfferLab. Or if you sell even clothing or whatever it is, you can upload that into OfferLab, okay? So that's the power of that. Now, of course, if you want to sign up to OfferLab for free using my special invitation, I'm going to leave that first link down below. Make sure to go to that link. This is where it's going to take you, okay? So essentially, it's going to take you to this page right here. You're going to enter your information. I have a ton of bonuses just for signing up for free, okay? So once you sign up here, it's then going to take you to this page. After you get to this page, this is where you want to go. You want to go to where it says required right here. This is where you sign up to OfferLab, okay? You click on this and it's going to take you to this page here. This is where you sign up to OfferLab, 100% free. You can upload as many offers as you want. And if you don't have any offers, you still want to sign up because you can promote other people's offers as well. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to actually upload your offers into OfferLab. It's very, very simple. But again, make sure to stick to the end because I have a secret method that I'm using to make way more money with OfferLab, and I'm going to let you copy the entire process, okay? So first, I want to show you how do we upload our offers into OfferLab, okay? So if you go to selling, so when you log into OfferLab, once you create your free account, you can go and look at all your funnels, okay? So you can see I have, if I go to my vault, I have several of my products already here, okay? Now, I'm still uploading my products as we speak, okay? I got early access to this before anyone else, so I'm gonna give you a free invitation. Again, that'll be linked down below, okay? Now, the cool thing is I can upload my offers, I can upload my products. You can see I have a ton of products that I've already uploaded, okay? It's very simple to do. All you do is go to new offer, okay? And it doesn't matter if you have, if you're using ClickFunnels, if you're using Funnel Freedom, if you're using Shopify, if you're using Kajabi, Go High Level, whatever it is, it doesn't really matter, okay? Now that's the beauty of OfferLab. It doesn't matter what platform you're using. Like before, you couldn't really cross promote anyone because everyone's using a different platform. Now, what Russell Brunson has done is he basically created this software that way you can collab with literally anyone in the entire world that uploads their programs into OfferLab, okay? What happens is once you go ahead and click on new offer, essentially what it's going to do is you can name your offer whatever you want, and then you upload your products once you integrate whatever software you're using, okay? It's literally plug and play, super, super simple. So again, if you go to your products, I can go and add a product and you can see it just literally says import from, okay? So I'm using Funnel Freedom, which is built on Go High Level. So you can essentially integrate everything instantly inside of OfferLab, okay? Super, super simple. Once you upload your products, you essentially create your offers. So what does that mean? Essentially an offer is, let's just say, $197 product, and then you attach your actual products, okay? Product 1, product 2, however you want to create your offer, okay? And then when people collab with you, they collab on your actual offers, okay? So I'm uploading literally all my offers I've ever created, okay? I'm getting excited about this new program, this new software. All right, so that's how you upload an offer or product into OfferLab. Now, the next thing I want to show you and how you can clone my process is how I'm collecting emails before getting people to OfferLab, okay? Now, the reason why I'm showing this is because I want to bribe you to getting the OfferLab certification. And you're going to want to get it because I'm going to show you something insane, okay? So check this out, okay? So I'm going to show you some stats that I usually never show anyone, okay? This is my OfferLab stats, okay? So remember I showed you this page and this page, okay? What I'm doing is I'm creating an affiliate bridge page before I send people to OfferLab, okay? There's a reason why I'm doing this, okay? And as you can see, not even like literally a week and a half, I've already collected over 1,100 emails and phone numbers, which is absolutely insane, okay? Now there's a reason why, and I'm gonna let you clone the entire process, but what I'm doing is I'm giving a super cool bonus when people get OfferLab, okay? So this page right here, I'm essentially giving people this viral Facebook writer that literally got me 16 million views in 7 days, okay? In this video, I actually show people how I did it, all that good stuff. So if you sign up, make sure to actually watch this video. What I wanna show you now is how you can actually copy this page and give out this viral writer. Okay, now I want to show you something here. Okay, so this is the viral writer. Okay, I'm gonna just show you. Okay, this is a custom GPT. Never used a custom GPT. This is a game changer. Okay, you can see over 1,000 people have already used my viral content writer. So how did I do this? And how did I use OfferLab to actually get so many people to do it? Okay, what I'm doing is I'm giving this out for free. I'm saying, hey, when you sign up for OfferLab, I'm gonna give you my viral writer. Okay, and as you can see, thousands of people are using it already in literally just a week. And I'll show you what this looks like. Essentially, it's basically creating all my posts for me. Okay, you see, if you go to my Facebook account, okay, Jonathan Montoya, you can see I'm posting every single hour on the hour. Okay, essentially what my software does, or my custom GPT, is it writes all the posts for me. Okay, I'll show you what this does. Okay, it's really cool. So I can literally, here's an example here. You can give it any offer that you want to promote and it will essentially go and create it for you. So here's an example here of the viral content writer. You just give it any offer that you have, who your target audience is, and what this does is I program this to create a post. Okay, so this is like a post on Facebook, and then you put all the comments in the actual comments themselves. Okay, so let me show you what this looks like. All right, so here's an example of a simple post that the viral writer does. Okay, so it basically gives you this colored background post, and then what happens is they go inside the comments. You can see 117 comments here to find the actual steps, right? Step 4, step 1, and then I get literally hundreds of comments. And I'm doing this every single hour. Okay, it's absolutely insane. Essentially, what this viral content writer does is it gives you all the content. Okay, literally it's just chat GPT, but I programmed it in a way to do this. Okay, so why am I telling you this? Why does this even matter? Okay, so again, remember I showed you this little secret that I'm doing, right? So I'm giving out this viral content writer when people sign up to OfferLab. Okay, so it's an insane bonus. Okay, the reason I'm bringing this up is because I want to show you how you can give this out as your own. Okay, why would that even matter to you? Okay, well, for one, I am building my email list, as you can see here. So when people go to this page, they enter their name and email, I collect that. Okay, so I'm building that email list. Okay, number 2, when people actually use the viral content writer, okay, let me show you this little secret here. Okay, if I scroll down, check this out. The viral content writer is selling for me. Okay, it's selling my courses, it's selling my products every time people use it. So all those thousands of conversations, it's selling every single time. Okay, and I programmed it that way. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can copy my pages and you can give out this viral writer as your own. And then of course you can go ahead and add your links to whatever products that you have or that you are promoting. Okay, so that's what I'm going to show you next. Okay, so I want to show you how you can copy this page, and of course you can go and add your links, your affiliate links once you sign up for OfferLab under me. The way this is going to work, okay, if you want to copy my pages and my viral content writer as your own, is this step right here. Okay, so this is all free. Okay, so step number 1 is 100% free. I'm still gonna give you the viral content writer, but if you want to white label it, okay, if you want to actually white label it for yourself, you want to go to step number 3. Okay, so again, when you sign up down below, you're going to go to this link right here. You're going to sign up here. It's going to take you to this step. Step 1 is free. And then what happens, okay, so this is what happens. You sign up right here. What happens is Russell is going to take you to this upsell. Okay, if you sign up for this, okay, it's $497. Please watch this, because if you watch this, he's going to explain how you can get way more commissions 10 times faster. Okay, but the way I'm doing this is if you actually go and buy this certification program for $497, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you this viral content writer as your own. Okay, so that means you can now give this out and you can program it however you want, but I give it to you. It takes 1 minute to set up. It's free in ChatGPT, and then I'm going to give you the exact same pages that I'm using to build my email list. Okay. And I want to show you how powerful this is. Okay. If I go to the top of my Facebook, my pinned post, you can see I posted this in Facebook and over 1,000 comments. So this viral writer is super, super hot. So I'm going to allow you to give it out as your own. Okay. So the way this is going to work, if you haven't signed up for OfferLab, you're going to click down below on the link and it's going to take you to this page. Once you sign up here, you're going to go to this page where you want to sign up on step number 1. Okay. If you've already signed up for this already, then you just skip to step number 3 where you sign up for the certification program. Okay. Or again, if you sign up under my link, it'll take you to this next step where you buy the certification program. Okay. So if you buy the certification program, what I'm doing is I'm allowing you to white label my exact same viral writer as your own. Okay. Again, you don't have to do this. You can still sign up for OfferLab for free and I'm going to give you my viral writer. But if you want to white label it as your own, that's where you want to get this certification program. Okay. And then the last step here is you simply want to email my support. Once you go ahead and purchase that, just send an email to support@jonathanmontoyalive.com with the subject line of OfferLab white label bonus. And then just give me a screenshot of, the purchase of the certification program. I'm sure I'll find it. Once you go ahead and do that, I will send you a simple video on how you can replicate this as your own. Okay. So I hope you're excited. If you want to sign up for free, again, that's going to be in the first link down below. Or if you want to sign up for the certification program, that way you can white label this entire process that I just mentioned. Again, sign up down below, first link. And then in the upsell, once you sign up for OfferLab, just go ahead and buy it, send us an email, and I will send you everything. That way you can clone my exact bonus as your own. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are excited about OfferLab because whether you get the certification program or you just get the free OfferLab, this is going to be a complete game changer. Let me know if you have any questions down below. We'll see you inside. God bless.